Hey, back with another video today with a tactic which shows you how to find problem-aware prospects by targeting the people that follow your competitors or influencers in your industry. I'm going to use LinkedIn for this and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process, so we'll jump in now. The thing that we need to do is navigate to LinkedIn search and make sure that we've got the people search ready to go. Now that I've got the people search, I want to click on all filters and scroll down to where I can find either connections of or followers of. Now, you can actually add people in here that are your first connections or your second connections. And really what we're looking to do is find people who speak to the same audience that I want to reach, whether they are direct competitors or just other influencers. Now, I'm going to use the example of my consulting business where I'm trying to help agency owners with their sales process by sales process design optimizations as well as training for their sales team. So I'm not going to target any competitors, but what I am going to do is find the followers of people who are also talking to that audience. Now, one amazing guy is Marcel. Marcel talks a lot about profitability for agencies. I know profitability is a challenge. It's not the challenge that I necessarily help them solve because I focus on the sales. But if somebody is interested in increasing profitability for their business, they may be more aware of the fact that they may need to invest in their sales or they're looking to grow. It's not necessarily a sign that things are not going well in their business if they are looking to optimize for their profitability. And I know that Marcel charges a very good value, but a premium for his services as well. So if they're qualified for Marcel, they may be qualified for me. So I'm going to go back to LinkedIn here now, click followers of, and I'm going to add a creator. I'm going to paste in Marcel's details. It's going to click enter. And now I'm going to click show results. So this is going to give me all results of people that have open profiles. However, I want to narrow this down slightly. So I want to use the filters to refine this for my ICP. Let's just say I want to target people in the United States, United Kingdom, and the industry that they're in. This is pretty tricky because industry classification on LinkedIn is very much dictated by the individual who fills it out, so it could be wrong. But maybe I will want to show the results here to see how many I get. So I've got 691 results so far. That's quite a big list. So let's just see who are in my second connections. So I'm down to 300. So I actually want to focus on the founder or the CEO or the agency owner. So I'm going to go back to all filters, scroll down to title, and I'm going to type CEO or founder, and this should work. So now I should have either founders or CEOs. Now, I don't know whether these people are the right fit for me, so I'm going to simply open them in a new tab. Of course, you can look at automating this with a number of different tools. Magical is a great option for this. But at this point in time, I just want to have a look to see whether this particular person runs an agency. We are market experts. Yep, they are communication partners, which means agency. Let's have a look at Sam. Sam runs, this looks like it could be a software. Yep, so it's a platform. So no, not because Sam isn't a good person. I probably could help them if they needed help with sales, but I'm really just trying to focus on agencies here. So scroll down again, having a look down here, clarity. This looks like it could be an agency. So I'm just going to look at the company name. Consultancy/agency, 51 to 200 people. So that is the type of company that I'd want to work with. And I could just repeat this process, refine these filters even more. Now, this helps because, again, with Outbound, you don't want to be targeting a completely broad section of people. I want to find people who are slightly more mature in their understanding of what it takes to run a business. And by following someone like Marcel, that helps me understand that they tick those boxes. To just show you another example, so there is Claire Hutchins. She provides amazing marketing campaigns for agencies. So I'm going to go into all filters. I'm just going to see where I've got, just remove that there. Go to followers of, type in Claire. Again, I'm not targeting competitors here. I'm targeting people who are complementary to the services that I offer. I can see that we've got 186 results. So secondary connections, we're down to 86. And then I'd obviously want to filter that down a little bit more as well. So it's about being laser targeted and increasing the likelihood that we'll be reaching out to prospects who are more likely to be interested or in need of my specific services and solutions. So you can rinse and repeat this process using lots of different influencers or competitors and then build your list that way. It feels a bit manual, but it is a manual process. But because you'll be targeted, you should get more replies from sending messages to these individuals than you would if you were sending the same message to 2,000 people just because they are an agency owner, in my example. So there you go, give it a go. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Take care.